Today on Lone Star Grills, we're firing up the Lone Star Pellet Smoker for a trendy recipe that's perfect for your next cookout. This one is called Pig Shots. Begin with 1 block of cream cheese, add 2 tablespoons of your favorite BBQ Rub, and 1/4 cup of your favorite shredded cheese. Mix well to combine and set it aside. The next step is to slice your favorite high-quality smoked sausage into flat, half-inch thick portions. For this recipe, you'll need approximately 12 to 15 slices. We're going to take 1/2 slice of thick cut bacon and wrap each one of these at the base. Be sure to use a flat surface when doing this, and also be sure to use a thick cut bacon so it holds up throughout the cook. Secure each one at the base by pushing a toothpick through from one side all the way to the other. Now that these are ready to go, just transfer your cream cheese to a reclosable bag, clip the corner, and fill each one with cream cheese. Now we'll just cap these with the jalapeno, and they're ready for the pit. We'll be doing today's cook on the Lone Star Pellet Smoker. Just preheat your pit to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. As soon as it's fully preheated, it's time to get these gorgeous beauties on, close the lid, and begin cooking. This cook will take approximately 1 hour, but it can be a little more or a little less depending on how you like your bacon done. So as soon as it's right there, we're going to dab each one of these with a little bit of your favorite barbecue sauce. Then give it about 10 more minutes, remove these from the cooker, and serve them up to your friends and loved ones. Because at the end of the day, that's all that matters. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We really appreciate your support. If you'd like information on any of our products, give us a call or check out our links below. We'll see you on the next one.